G'day legends, welcome to our ultimate guide to transforming your physique and boosting your strength. Today we're embarking on a journey that will push your limits and redefine your fitness goals. Ready to take your muscle gains to the next level? Whether you're aiming to bulk up, tone down, or simply enhance your overall fitness, we've got you covered. Our tips are designed to cater to all fitness levels and goals. We're about to dive into 10 strength training tips that'll have you packing on size and strength like never before. These aren't just any tips. They're backed by science and proven by athletes around the world. So, get ready to take notes and implement these strategies into your routine. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're a seasoned gym veteran, these tips will give you that extra edge in the iron jungle. From mastering the basics to advanced techniques, we've got something for everyone. Remember, every expert was once a beginner and every pro continues to learn and grow. Remember, building muscle is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency, dedication, and the right approach are key. It's not just about lifting heavy weights, it's about lifting smart, eating right, and giving your body the rest it needs to grow. So, let's lace up those boots, dial in our focus, and get ready to unleash our inner beast. This journey is as much about mental strength as it is about physical prowess. Stay motivated, stay disciplined, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Let's get started and make those gains. Listen up, mates, because this is the cornerstone of muscle growth. Progressive overload is the secret sauce that transforms your workouts from mundane to magnificent. It's the principle that ensures you're always moving forward, always improving. Progressive overload means consistently challenging your muscles by gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. Imagine you're sculpting a statue. Each chip away at the stone reveals more of the masterpiece within. Similarly, each incremental increase in your workout carves out a stronger, more resilient you. Think of it like this: you wouldn't start a marathon with a sprint, right? Just as a runner builds up their stamina over weeks and months, you need to build up your strength and endurance in the gym. You'd gradually build up your endurance. Each run, you push a little further, a little faster. The same principle applies to weight training. You start with what you can handle and then, bit by bit, you increase the challenge. Same goes for your muscles. They need to be pushed beyond their comfort zone to grow. When you lift weights, you're creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. As these fibers repair, they grow back stronger and thicker. Each workout, aim to push yourself just a little bit further than before. Whether it's adding an extra rep, increasing the weight slightly, or even just improving your form, these small changes add up over time. This signals to your body that it needs to adapt and grow stronger. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about making huge leaps every session, but about making steady, consistent progress. Over time, these small improvements compound, leading to significant gains in strength and muscle mass. Keep track of your progress. Write down your workouts, note the weights you use, the reps you complete, and how you feel. This not only helps you stay motivated but also allows you to see how far you've come. And don't forget the power of community. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who encourage and challenge you. Together, you can push each other to new heights. Lastly, remember that progressive overload isn't just about what you do in the gym. Your nutrition, rest, and recovery play crucial roles in your progress. Fuel your body with the right nutrients, get plenty of sleep, and allow your muscles time to recover. Embrace the power of progressive overload, and watch as you transform not just your body, but your entire mindset. It's a journey of continuous improvement, and every step forward is a victory. So get out there, challenge yourself, and keep pushing those limits. Now, before you go chucking around heavy weights like a madman, let's talk about form. Proper form is absolutely crucial, not only to prevent injuries but also to make sure you're targeting the right muscles effectively. Think of your body like a well-oiled machine. Every movement should be precise and controlled. Don't sacrifice form for ego, mates. Start with lighter weights and focus on perfecting your technique. Trust me, your body will thank you in the long run. If you want to build serious muscle, you gotta work smarter, not harder. That's where compound movements come in. These bad boys work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, giving you more bang for your buck. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, overhead presses. These are the cornerstones of any effective strength training program. Incorporate these into your routine and watch your gains skyrocket. Chapter 4, Tip number 4. Consistency is king. You can have the best training plan in the world, but if you're not consistent, you're not going to see the results you want. Make training a non-negotiable part of your routine. Treat it like an important appointment that you can't miss. Remember, we're aiming for long-term sustainable growth, so find a schedule that works for you and stick to it like glue. Chapter 5. Tip number 5. Rest and recover like a warrior. Don't underestimate the power of rest, legends. Muscles don't grow while you're training. They grow while you're recovering. Give your body the time it needs to repair and rebuild. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night, and don't be afraid to take rest days when you need them. Remember, recovery is just as important as training. Chapter 6. Tip number 6. Fuel your body for growth. You wouldn't try to run a car on empty, would you? Same goes for your body. To build muscle, you need to fuel it with the right nutrients. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet that's rich in protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Think of food as fuel for your workouts and recovery. Chapter 7. Tip number 7. Hydration is key. Water is essential for life, and it's also crucial for muscle growth. Staying hydrated helps with everything from regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients to your muscles. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Chapter 8. Tip number 8. Develop a mind-muscle connection. This one's all about focus, mates. When you're training, really concentrate on the muscle you're working. Visualize it contracting and expanding with each rep. This mind-muscle connection helps you target the muscle more effectively, leading to better results. Chapter 9. Tip number 9. Keep your muscles guessing. Our bodies are incredibly adaptable. If you do the same workout over and over again, your muscles will eventually plateau. That's why it's important to mix things up. Vary your exercises, rep ranges, and training intensity to keep your muscles challenged and growing. Chapter 10. Tip number 10. Track your progress. What gets measured, gets managed. If you want to see real progress, you need to track your workouts. Keep a journal or use a fitness app to log your exercises, weights, reps, and sets. This will help you stay accountable, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Outrow, unleash your potential time to grow. This is your moment to shine, to push beyond your limits, and to discover the strength within you. There you have it, legends. You've just unlocked the secrets to transforming your body and mind. 10 powerful tips to take your strength training to the next level. Each tip is designed to help you maximize your workouts, ensuring you get the most out of every session. Implement these tips into your routine and watch your muscle gains soar. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, these strategies will help you break through plateaus and achieve new personal bests. Remember, consistency, dedication, and a little bit of grit are all you need to achieve your fitness goals. It's not just about the physical transformation, but also about building mental resilience and discipline. Now get out there, crush your workouts, and show the world what you're made of. Every drop of sweat, every rep, and every set brings you one step closer to your goals. Embrace the journey and celebrate every milestone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness content. Stay strong. Your support helps us bring you more valuable tips and motivation. Share your progress with us and join our community of fitness enthusiasts. Together, we can achieve greatness.